All right, I'm going to show you how to pair Bluetooth headphones with your Windows 11 computer. Step 1 is always to power on the headphones and put them in pairing mode. Now, every pair of headphones is going to look slightly different, but usually you're going to press and hold either the power button or some headphones might have a dedicated Bluetooth button. Press and hold that button for about 5 seconds until you hear or see some kind of feedback. A lot of times you'll hear a little chime or voice prompt saying pairing, or you might see the status LED begin flashing, indicating the headphones are now in pairing mode. If you're using something like AirPods, you'd open the case and hold down the button on the back to put them in pairing mode. Then, on the computer, what we can do is click the controls here in the bottom right corner. I'm going to click the icon that has my Wi-Fi, sound, and battery status. Here, I'll see Bluetooth. The toggle on the left turns Bluetooth on and off, and this little arrow lets us manage our Bluetooth devices. I'll click into this, and it'll show me my connected Bluetooth devices, if there are any. I already have a mouse connected, so we'll ignore that, and here in the list of devices, you'll see your Bluetooth headphones. Mine are right here. If you don't see them, just click Show All Devices and the list will expand. So I'll click my headphones, it's going to connect to them, and there we go. It says Headphones Connected, shows the battery status here, and now anything I play on my computer, the sound will go to my headphones. To disconnect, you could simply turn off your headphones, which would automatically disconnect them from the computer, or you could come back to this menu, click the headphones, and disconnect them from here. Another place you can do this, of course, is in your settings. Through the Start menu, we'll go to Settings, then choose Bluetooth and Devices from the left. Now, because I already connected once, it shows my headphones right here. If you want to add a new device, just click that big plus button and add a Bluetooth device. Any devices actively in pairing mode will show up here. And of course, if you want to forget an existing device, just click those 3 dots and remove the device from your computer. After that, it's like you never connected to those headphones at all. And that's how you connect Bluetooth headphones to your Windows 11 computer. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. I post them almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.